Ebusua ma kwaba emfama K Black Media. Ebusua enkomodie bi ene report bi from Germany a kire se ada team legal wife ebeye press conference yenye hu se papa shi e de maame akosho Serwah passport ebi no kire se old passport ebi so kire se new passport a papa shi e de be kire se ene maame no en documents ahodo de ene o de kire na ebusua allegedly se emra kire se eni se obi old passport and I say new passport no ho abrekun nipa koro e wo control na mo susu se obi old passport kora wo ho na otike mu ana akofro eluprimpo a na ehye ho a yebetimi achew amana yi eno na obi e kire se de maame na ye no ebenam so ama obi e ya report no e de ama jama yaban e kire se de maame ne ye no wo ye tiatia jama emra so eno no mo kire se saa de na maame nam so de ne nkrata ma papa si allegedly no ebetimi anam so kora maame no yetimi ediporto no anasa ne nkrata asem eho etimi aba issue ahodo ebusua ene ensem no enye asemba enesi ebusua beka me ho na ensem no ho kiremu yakwa akotie uwie so comment share na afoforo de binhwe
ayi Mr. Mama biyu nkasa akra biyu kasa bianti
Pato penifo mi chiamo asem media chira mo comment section wana na me cancer bato efa
ofa me me tu kakra
bato won say customary in an ordinance no embra wo ho embra ne say okoye ordinance a ut ware ba ko pe untumi ware mienu even an separate for even 30 years na wan court and twitwem as still you are married to the person and only ordinance the no nti umpa men koye customary wakoye customary ina na mama no be can about certificate was and patro there et ekoye ni the lawyer Kusi ne one of the subordinate no ye adwuma no oba you say one initially letter fee German embassy by say Akosua say one that the Lumba they were married before his demise. German embassy.
Yeah, let's be no Ghana German embassy about cultural say any panel and a wally. When you are Maduma so monocle or Nipa Wally.
Pacho Mammy Casa. Let any buy no marriage certificate registration number also. Initially, case management, no, the extract of marriage certificate by extracts. Odoboni lawyers raise objection. That lawyer no, meaning Juma just last year, we Les Mundus and Sinclair Pluke Hono Juma, meaning Juma da. Just last year now, me feel law firm one raise objection. Say we extract. Na lawyer na judge na say on go fa original
copy, right? Photocopy.
Yes, a copy.
Okay.
It's not what say
not the original, right?
The copy of the original.
Copy of original.
Yeah, the man.
The original.
Even certificate. Me degree certificate. No, I have.
My citizen card or how right? My citizen certificate. Now I'm going photocopy. I don't just say original. I don't just say copy.
But some what to me they no apply for. Ubet me they no apply for ejuma. Sometimes ubet me scan it. Who apply for ejuma? You can apply for a job with a copy of your certificate.
Yeah, original one no. Original one no.
Yes, scan original one.
You scan it.
Original one. No, now they are they just try to.
You scan it. Me, I have applied. I have even
applied the BI can say
yes. Sometimes when you sometimes who apply to a school grandpa US they accept unofficial copy.
No UK.
What's your Juma? What's your Juma?
If you crap accept sometimes they get copy.
Germany document document it has been notarized. To say wako na registrar then a stamp esiso. So the registrar there no authorize here.
Thank you.
This stamp esiso
From Germany.
or the
Germany.
from Germany or the
Thank you.
no musa so the call Institute Ghana your Institute of Languages. It be obi the Chinese document biba maybe you want to say the call honor they translate it.
Papa
Translate it. Pacho
Kasa.
Institute of Languages. Institute of Languages no translating no man translate say extra to no much marriage certificate. So they added the notarized one from Germany and the translated one from Institute of Languages Ghana. They are experts. Institute of Languages are experts in the whole. They translated it. Not much of marriage certificate. So they added that document in addition to the letter from the German embassy.
Was it translated from the original or it was translated from the copies?
Something that has been notarized. Ofi Ghana ha no mobile certificate na ebia registrar no the man or then stamp so sana that's what happened.
Okay.
So omo notarize it with a stamp.
Okay.
No must be translate or Ghana ha expert e translate here. In the translation it was marriage certificate. They added it. So the translated one plus the letter from the German embassy and the notarized documents no the court.
Okay.
What expert witness being a sense an expert from Institute of Languages. I'm experts. I translate just marriage certificate. In the evidence act, there is an exception. What the first two when you say a foreign document, one say authorize we are the Ghana embassy indicate it. I know yet one. The exception is say the judge you have to accept it. That is a presumption. One thing he said. One thing he said. One thing he says.
Judge, you need to make us so I
one thing.
What's someone who can you know? Say, Matabro Nukumache, I've been here for 35 years. Say, person prove say, Irinia now Ukrunia. I do every cry certificate crown here. What taxes crowd here, crowd and a file of taxes. Now, and you may be bro. Now, I'm say, the American said, Mammy, I could say one. When you pay a dinner, chino, Oman Tunifupa, I don't mind you do. Ghana, no, what they want some court or what? The old pepper now of Fabiano. Omo Pamba Jed, Omo Palmonini.
Like because of the
story. There's too many ways for you to prove say.
People at ABC.
Wow, media. I was even talking about the
address. The BB. This and you may be pray or what? You to prove so.
They are ready to make or do.
Certificate now. More can watch someone.
I didn't think that. I didn't charge already. What can
person me we no. One say, like Akosua say, the document. Do you know that the Pacho say?
Me say verdict no read.
The document. No say.
The verdict but my man can say na dwene trust verdict nti wa.
Judgment, Pacho. Judgment. Pacho. Many lawyers are. You see, judgments are the opinions of the judges. What I say. Because recently, High Court, Tamale High Court, one of the MPs, High Court demand, I'm going to go Supreme Court, and no decision, High Court to make decisions. Now, appeals court overturn it. What I say? So there are instances.
We all know, but until say appeal na why no,
Let's make us say they are the opinion of the judge.
you,
Oh, me like I'm not.
okay.
But you all these things all having a fadwin now. I didn't know for 7 ko German court.
Oh no,
Ghana court German court say.
The kind no man can want some Ghana.
Why German citizen? Lumba is German citizen. I know more Germany.
Oh,
all these translations in the Memnan, it won't be necessary.
German for recognize it.
Last night she slept with Lumba.
Mame 1 minute. Check that case, no. Check that case na ye or UK no. See as I bed it ni saba Ghana court implement it. It won't to be case ye di asam or Germany. There be see Ghana.
Can Ufurata US someone try no.
But what I'm saying say
someone try can Ufurata or US but Ghana mama try ni biom.
Unu to UK. Na mo awale UK. Mu na mo ye British citizens. Na mo nya asem na mo to UK hon mo. What has got to do with Ghana courts?
Lumba betna Ghana.
I said Lumba betna Ghana. Lumba betna Ghana. You bet me a fair Lumba. I'm not testify if I say no German court. Wa ma contempt.
No German court the omuni say bia omu ye cry say Ghana court sat na so. Implement.
The mention say e ba Ghana court abeye den.
Eseba because assembly wo Ghana.
As in your assembly can it's not about only the personality. A lot of things are involved. What I say? A lot of things are involved. Into no deba Ghana no.
Judge Neka say, baby on someone fan nyina na mama fanfa. Baby on be fa ayi wo nyina mama fanfa. For original certificate na wo de ba na copies na wa ye no, photo copies na wa ye de aba no. For original ne bla ne fan to hon hwa want me am for original no.
Judge na nka certificate ne your original.
No, wa pa kire say fa de
no lawyer no. Nyoma omu original no wo ho. Lawyer ne ka say
for original
the original Judge na sem no kind say first one on the buy no. Who say first one the registry who say German document okay me tie
be you answer me the American
what me tie the original ne buy that the buy court no kwa me or the original ne buy
mama
ono so me kan o se me mutumi ho obi ka so be na mo oni mutu no
mama me ni be you na kasa be you
or the original
me tie
the original ne buy
okay what the original ne ko ya me dim people court and my original certificate na me wo no me ye ne photocopy kokra na original and I could do baby and I judge and say akayesa ka me de fa ha man fan fa ho enti no original na me de aba court ho no de me ye ne photocopy na wo me nche wo fie no me fa sa de me ye ne photocopy na me de wo fie na de me ye original yi ne free so no me fa mla no fan to de da court ho na me ntimi anfa nko
or the call
judgment say document the first one normally call no signature na was different from second one no. The first one and the second one notarizing the registrar no was different from the first one no. Into your can say we nya inchirechiremu between the signatures in the document so judge ne kan asem
be you men kwa chiro men ko ayi signature ne no ne ayi nyina
authentication na
no authentication ne nyina men ka hwe but judge ne ka chire ne say wa original one no people ba ko na wo fie na wo ye ni photocopy no won fa sa people ne mla court ho no won hwe so Enfanya ya wantimi amfa kwa no ha
pacho
nana wusu be you 1 minute
that time no signature ma judge ni krampo ka say eno onankasa na be on to me kan chiro mu say enyo original onankasa be hwe adekro nyina na mo pesa mo yesa ade no na mo nyina mo pesa be na nyina ye ekuna period
be you 1 minute nana wusu me pacho what me the 3 documents about your chest where you were in. So will be a no. How can she provide those 3 documents? The judge should have done is to check the registration number of the marriage.
Okay.
That is why I said the judge is backwards in their thinking.
Too much.
No.
Ghana judges, psychological assessment.
Whether Ghana judgment, any Ghana justice delivery, Ghana you practice adversarial form of justice. Other jurisdictions no practice inquisitorial. I mean, adversarial and say me a judge. Mona wanya asem. Mon come asem na me ntie. Baby a de ne de beto asum no eno na mefa. Ena inquisitorial no so yes say wo de asem mo de asem aba court. Ba me court no me hwehwe sansem no mu no kore. In this case no ye lawyer no na wo say o delay case no na yenya enoma because say case we say na stakes near very high no ye only trump card and no case we mo any marriage certificate no.
That's right, and the original one.
And your original.
It's not about being original or not.
If you bring original without authentication,
it has not been authenticated. It is still not valid in
yes.
What's
about original and not your original?
So judge the buy a family book which is given to everybody or a married person BR or Germany. Says how the omo de buy no extract. Na on to me any probative value, like any probative value, on to me far waiting to so and family judgment.
After another document.
The reason why judge maybe no in a way maybe who say judge in because there are other procedures in this. Like in the we see evidence Act section 161 your baby or almost on the face of the document any say even unya some semblance you should able to accept it.
Evidence Act
yes but then for straight proof and no entry of the body need to go here no whether now a decision. It's all a decision of the court.
Decision of the.
But then the only thing about remedy situation we know, and they say now no process now. We go and do it such the way that if there is any form of judgment be in a different form, produce required go through processing authenticate no near the aba no catch still they are not accepting it. Then we know say there is an invisible hand. Me, I don't buy into the idea of someone behind. Say, let's use the law. Yes. And run near you and yes, obi
Brakwesi, we are sure says I come in the right judgment by ya be crack a boy.
Let me tell you this.
I don't know how
no, that is in law where they all can avoid because me plenty from me probate my Ubia say like representing me. One man the power of attorney to represent me. It doesn't matter.
In this case,
it doesn't matter. A Kufado the court case court and on the Kujina could idiasem. So that case no avoid. What you are saying is void. Nobody you shouldn't be entertaining any questions.
Why
one thing is that like I could see almost any document in the
embassy. I'm very
authentication delay.
With the benefit of hindsight, I think say if our lawyer could have delayed the case, and like by now, what it supposed to have been done would have been done. One thing a former part of council's legal strategy and the ability to use tactics. If it comes to a way of using delay tactics to get what you want, at least it's good.
But then it seems that our lawyer was too sure.
Session 3 no offense the evidence at 161 or depending on session 3 no so.
Yes. Which and case where with the nature no, you don't have to leave room for any ambiguity. Say no.
One question. Not me sure say. On me say. Me imagine na make ka o say here. Na me feel say o say na bibia na me say lawyer kwesi maybe me imagine na make ka say na on me say bibia ye pepper painting no. One
because exceptions are there.
If he knew say. Judge, and so you wouldn't know if he knew that judge don't rely on some provision in the provision. I'm sure some could be delay case, no.
Yes,
lawyer Kusino, on your good lawyer.
We are practicing for 21 years.
Over 20
years.
So lawyer Kutia good Uncle Nabontin and Catel say Udu bring a side check. We a lawyer. And you are some yes, my cousin, no.
We should have Bontin somebody.
We are out of court to talk and won't drink and lawyer.
As a good lawyer,
but
lawyer interview no what to work say one kasa no obewi so answer enya so ko gina bonta ko catch say there won no work out no why your friends say side check and no face TikTok lawyer and the obeka or TikTok wa mo be di akire yo no na wo gina so dey arena asem wo court na ka je
okay say even the Mami Akosua Serwah was even lucky. That was what the lawyer said. Mami Akosua was even lucky.
Yeah, the judge said.
The lawyer of Odobroni, that's what he said.
That was where
proof bla one for proof ama
one ka say patro asmo de ko say patro asmo de ko ni say yenka say ono nko ane oyire
and o say for marriage certificate bra right
and I saw the koye
the koye
na ya anyi antum
because
say you authenticate because you are authenticate no just say appeal no kwa there appeal no patro appeal
ontiana anasiku ayi kokuba akukonya judgment egezi keneja
Kennedy
onti dey asi
obi wo ha
say court ye make judgment no onye mistake ade tie wo appeal court ade na appeal court ana mo kasa sabahata
obi wo ha oni
ana mo kasa sabahata na school ne bi boy na no kasa bahata too much me wa platform at so na ye din komo kama o kasa bahata too much
patro boko the thing is
part of me o kasa bahata so you say si kasa boko o kasa bahata
baby o tell ntia wo se me kasa bahata no
o ye jira so ade ni o kama o ntina be face o kasa bahata
o kasa o si lawyer one lawyer o si lawyer baby o jira kasa ntia officer me dey make no e bahata no
o kasa bahata bro na bo tell kasa yen hia de
patro appeal no
kasa bahata
appeal no 3 judges na court na asem no so no most they will go through one sem no proceedings court proceedings evidence will be present here they will go through it even authentication lawyer you present your case even with authentication who present your case here you have to prove the here maybe you to authenticate and no one reason maybe na third party in same that third party you have no access to it. That can be accepted by the appeal court judges. And in the case of Lawyer Kusidia, no, not we document no German embassy, Ghana embassy or Germany, so they have no asset. It was in the hands of a third party.
And when you buy, when you free Germany was the buyer.
Still na According to the judgment, not still German embassy. Authenticating.
I was
allowed. To say, Papa, she ever called German embassy. I called the document on somebody's name. No.
I don't know what we because
the American said
the time frame
who apply for driving license.
Go and collect it.
Near casa for passport to bra. Photocopy to why was can crampona yenny. It's all the post office. Emma post office for 9 Casan scan deco. And sign yadi. And Papa she ain't me walk into them. The my embassy.
Authority note obey to the or man authority note obey to the embassy.
More can
obey to
with authority note obey to
1 week, you know. The man be
Mame.
One of us and the man in the
I just say also be akoye DNA, okay? Wakoye DNA. Na DNA no. What small before process one code DNA office, one code DNA numero. Yeah, for ma. You be catch say you be send ya koma a country clone more request for DNA no. For
they don't see DNA, but me DNA. But German, you have to fill a form. Somebody has to be and request for authority. But authority note will bet me a
confidential. DNA is confidential. No, confidential. DNA is confidential.
And I remember be Papa she press conference. Yeah, all showcase passport. Illegal because passport cannot travel without owner.
Show me proof.
And I'm
illegal.
Argument I'll make say if the passport to the now we know you su there on you be ma. Now, like, the one honor enough for her to travel at the way no in here. Why would she have to carry that passport with her all the time? Do you know, sir, who put a new passport or passport number necessary? Do you know that?
You can only travel with the owner.
Me say, do you know, sir, passport no? Say who renew or number necessary? Do you know that?
No, passport. It me new one.
When is the passport number necessary?
Passport number, or passport number.
Say, who's when say old passport number? You think they can new passport no?
Old passport no. Old passport no. New one no kwa there. Yeah, they attach it with your social insurance number. Some of money they attach it to your social insurance number.
Na the book no ma na we know a fresh you know or fresh
you know yeah they can't new one no amount opa you bet me that boom amount now to travel together because
so are you trying to say if or the same passport we require airline because so even though the new one put or they require airline never request any old passport way. Sana, are you trying to tell me that? So what is the case happen so make you say passport to Papa Shiva?
Kwakwajo be passport. Yeah, wo fache wo ho. Nyankwache wo bo hu amanyanka benya.
This is not about traveling. Obi the show, obi the check. As a case now, we someone mixing no be brebo.
Nipa na kasa na di amano.
Nipa na man consent di amana. Also say. Now, no, or they saw the kofo, plane or airline business in the quasi only passport.
It looks as if against the time be no.
Oh, maybe when you say your time will be